Hello friends, welcome to the Earth's Technical Campus. In previous lecture, we have seen the topic that is equation for steady state error. So this is important equation, that is ESS is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into r of s upon 1 plus g of s into h of s. So we have seen that according to this equation, steady state error depends on two factors, that is input, that is rs is nothing but the input, and g of s into h of s is nothing but the open loop transfer function. So in today's lecture we will see what is the effect of this input on steady state error. So there are three types of input: step input, ramp input and parabolic input. So as there are three types of input, there are three types of static error coefficient. Static error coefficient. So there are three types of static error coefficient, that is, so it is nothing but the steady state error constant. Steady state error constant for change in position, velocity and acceleration. So there are three types of static error coefficient, that is Kp means positional, next as static error constant is nothing but the for change in position, velocity and acceleration. So next is Kv, velocity error constant, and third one is Ka, that is acceleration error constant. So in next we will see the expression for this. So let's see the what is the effect of step input on steady state error. So let's see the effect of input on steady state error. Because we have seen it depends on input and open loop transfer function. Effect of input on steady state error. So first input is step input. So for step input, r of t is equal to, r of t means input, its value is a for t is greater than a. But our formula is, that is, our formula is this: limit s tends to 0 s into r of s. We require r of s, not r of t. So r of s is nothing but the Laplace transform of this r of t. So what will be the value of r of s? It is a upon s. So simply put that r of s value in equation. So therefore what is the steady state error equation? U of s is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into r of s 1 upon g of s into h of s. This is the equation we have seen in previous lectures. We have to simply put the rs value in this equation. So limit s tends to 0, yes, as it is. What is the value of r of s? It is nothing but the a upon s, 1 plus g of s into h of s, as it is. After that, simplify this equation. Limit s tends to 0, this s get cancelled, so it remain a upon 1 plus g of s into h of s. So limit s tends to 0, a upon 1 plus g of s into h of s. So here a is nothing but the, it is constant, a is a magnitude. A is magnitude, which is constant. So next, so this Kp, after that apply limit. After applying limit, a limit is not applied to the constant, so a and 1 come outside. Limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. So our Kp is nothing but this. Limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. So Kp, the value of Kp means positional error constant, is nothing but the limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. So simply put that value in ES equation. So what we'll get? A 1 plus, and this limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s is nothing but the Kp. So this is our final equation for step input. This is positional constant, and this is steady state error equation for step input. So this is very important equation. Problem on that you may get asked in exam. In this problem you have given directly Kp value, or either you have given this g of s into h of s. So firstly you have to calculate Kp and then put the value of Kp, then you will get the steady state error for step input. So this is very important topic. In exam you have problem on this topic. So this is general equation for steady state error. Now we are now studying different effect of this input on steady state error. So this is first equation, that is steady state error for step input. So that this is a upon 1 plus Kp, and Kp is nothing but the limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. Now next input is RAM input. So next input is RAM input. Ramp input. So what is the input of ramp input? It is R of t is equal to AT, but we require R of s value. So R of s, what will be the value of R of s? It is a upon s square. Laplace transform of this a of t is nothing but the a upon s square. So simply put that value in our steady state error equation, that is E of s is equal to limit s tends to 0, s into R of s upon 1 plus g of s into h of s. Put this R of s value in equation. Put R of s value in equation 1. So what will be our equation? Therefore E of s is equal to limit s tends to 0. This R of s value is nothing but a upon s square, a upon s square, and this 1 plus g of s into h of s. So this s and 1s get cancelled. So E of s is equal to limit s tends to 0, a and s of this, it will come to the denominator, and 1 plus g of s into h of s. Therefore apply limit to other. So limit not get applied to the constant. So a remain as it is. Limit s tends to 0, s plus limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. So but limit s tends to value, after putting s here, what is the meaning of s tends to 0? Means we have to put the s value 0. So after putting s value 0, this term will become 0. Therefore our equation will become a upon, this term becomes 0. So 0 plus this terms come as it is, limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s. So this limit g of s into h of s is nothing but the kV value. Here this s gets multiplied inside, so here s also come, but limit s tends to 0, s into g of s into h of s is equal to kV. So simply put the value of E of s is into this equation. What you will get? Therefore, E of s is equal to A upon kV. This is your final equation, that is steady state error for RAM input. Steady state error for RAM input. For RAM input, and this is your what is kV value for? kV value is limit s tends to 0, s into g of s into h of s. This is your velocity error constant. So these are two different equations, that is this E of s is equal to A upon 1 plus kV for steady state error. Kp is nothing but the limit s tends to 0, g of s into h of s, and kV is equal to limit s tends to 0, s into g of s into h of s. Now next input is parabolic input. Third input is parabolic input. So in parabolic input, R of t is equal to A upon t cube. So take Laplace transform, it is A upon s cube. Simply put this value in our steady state error, that is E of s is equal to limit s tends to 0, s into R of s upon 1 plus g of s into h of s. So limit s tends to 0, s into R of s value is A upon s cube 1 plus g of s into h of s. So this 1s and 1s gets cancelled. So after cancelling 1s, here s square remains. So limit s tends to 0, A upon s square will come to the denominator under bracket 1 plus g of s into h of s. So apply limit. Therefore, E of s is equal to A upon limit s tends to 0. First limit is applied to s square plus limit s tends to 0. After that, next is s square into g of s into h of s. But after putting this value, limit s tends to 0, s square will become 0. So therefore, E of s is equal to A upon, what will be the final value? Limit s tends to 0, s square g of s into h of s, because these terms become 0. So this term, that is limit s tends to 0, is nothing but the Ka. Limit s tends to 0, s square g of s into h of s is nothing but the acceleration error constant. So put that value in above equation. So E of s is equal to A upon, this is nothing but the Ka. So this is our steady state error constant for parabolic input. For parabolic input. and this is acceleration constant. So these 6 equations are very important. In exam you have 100% problem on this equation. So these 3 are important, that is ES is for steady state error, ES is for ES is for step input, ES is for RAM input, and next is ES is for parabolic input. So this is very important. We may remember that by using simply drawing one table like this. Summary, we can give the name to that like summary of steady state error. So it depends on input, and input are 3 types. Then equation for steady state error and steady state error constant. So first input we have seen, that is step input. For step input, what is the equation for E of S? It is E of SS is equal to A upon 1 plus Kp, and this Kp is nothing but the limit S tends to 0 G of S into H of S. Here we have derived. Next is RAM input. For this, steady state error is equal to A upon Kv, and this Kv is nothing but the limit S tends to 0, only S comes here, G of S into H of S. And next is parabolic input. For that, E of S is equal to A upon Ka, and this K is limit S tends to 0, S instead of S here comes S square, G of S into H of S. So you can simply remember this table, then you will get the full marks on that topic. So it is very important table. So it is very important. So always remember this equation. On this topic in exam you have 100% question. So this is all about steady state error constant and equation for steady state error for different input. In next lecture we will see the next topic, that is next factor. We have seen first factor. Now next factor, steady state error depends on open loop transfer function. So in next lecture we will see the effect of this open loop transfer function on steady state error. Thank you.